Kublai pi baro na kaliang kadudashin kendra shillong i pdan sabhai pi shkatuk kuba mita ka janmiet shoban pash ki kubot babna i pechwai ki mat pakongsan. Bendan burong Menteri Rang Badu Kari Narendra Modi ki riu kraw ki no yele alayot na rilom Hamangal Hill Haban Swara District Rajasthan. Kidkot kiseng bhalang apo kashatri safe no trap mission gelapan long ya kajini at pai pa shas ketriat ne kasni. Kot penong jengelang Menteri Rang Bak kejelau konret kisang ma halor ke syang shengai. Bat ya tai ke hai power committee halor ke dur jong ke indor bartawan betenmai. Ki kubor ki babnya Menteri Rang Badu Kariu Narendra Modi ulaong ba kaminor kaminta bat kabansawan kamlong kabapura klem ki riulom kapor kaladei kariban sngongo ikipat riulom ya jingsha ram bat jinglen lade da kabashakri yaki Modi ula ai jengkran kapugram mangga dham ki gaurav gatha hamangga dham habanswara district jong ka Rajasthan hene kasngi Modi ulaong ba ka jingele ba jinglen ladi ki riulom ha ka jingele light luot kim shim layo jaka kabla day ban bo jingtho ka history hadien ka jing light luot kari kala pendap ya ka ka jaka bathali ha ka azadi ka amrit mahotsav Kidukot kiseng bhalang bakenthop ya ka hinyotrap achik national movement hinyotrap youth council East Jaintia National Council, Jaintia Students Movement and Confederation of Ribhoi People hapo kashatri safe in yotrap mission kilapan long ya ka jingya pat ba sha secretariat mendagasngi ban penbor ya ka sarkar ban pen urlong ya ki jingdawa jongki kata ka long ka jing penrek kami ka inner line permit ban penrung ya ka ketin khasi ha ka kernit bapra bat ban kmi biang ya ka soskular MOU bat ka sam ha ka bay day bat ki kam khapot La ruban ong baki Borsenchar district ka West KHASI Hills hinin kasngi kila penjari ya ka section chis pa saw CRPC ka bakhanglat ya ka jing penlong ya ki jing ya pat ba asor shillong
march towards the secretariat so that we can meet them and ask a question and put a question to them to get a clarity as to what happened to the resolution regarding the ILP, as to what happened to the resolution regarding the KHASI language, as to what happened to the inquiry commission in which the one-man commission has already stated that the police are involved in the killing of the late Cherister Phil. Thank you. As to what happened to the various charges of corruption in the state, as to what this government is doing regarding the unemployment, the job reservation policy, as well as the repealing of the casino. We came with that motive.
La kemyo we brio but dapan ujor lightly ki ijahar ha ka bay day ba ka jingyat pat ba ka long ka arpo pratrik urisau bla khot penlong da kaseng FKGGP ban persha ya ka jing klem kam klem jam ukon rat sang mahnin kasngi ula khot ya ka jingyalang ban khmi halor ka jing shong suk shong shngan ha ka ba director general of police ba Menteri Ketanat kampo yeng ba la kamen rumboy nalor ki we ki lai don ringkat Ukon rat sang ma ha ka jinga kren bagla pathai khubor ulaong baki pulet kiladat ban itho durkhmat jong ki babon ki banon kti ka jingja ka balam sha ka jingsha kem jongki la ro ban ong ba ka jing penlong ka jingyat pat ba ban persha ka jing klem kam klem jam ha ka ba kalami ka jing klumar shok brio bakin thupru ya ki nok tho khubor bat ka jing punjulor ya ki kali
Already one person has been arrested and there is also 3 FIRs that have been lodged. Large number of people, I don't want to give numbers, I know the numbers, but I don't want to give it out, have been identified who were the main miscreants who have attacked innocent people, and necessary action is going to be taken against those people.
Kahai Powered Committee ke belasong jing lang hanin ke singi ke lai tai halor ke jing pen wandur thamai ke dom ke yeng dor bar thau an ke MEGHALAYA. Usong knor ke HPC ubalong ru ulampang ke yeng dor bar thau an uba met ba ling do long. Ba ki nong thau dur ke lawan ra ya ke jing pen shai halor sau jat ke jing pen wandur shiki khot ke committee ba ken thop yo menteri rang ba ukon ret sangma. Ula ong bana ki sau jat ki dur lajit ya ke ba ar ya ke ba ke HPC ke la menjur. Ulam phang laong bah po riu benai on sala ben pendep ya ke yeng dor bar thau an.
The HPC committee sat and discussed on the new design of the dome portion, where the design associate, the consultant, has given a presentation on 4 options, means 4 types of designs to the HPC members, and where we have come to a conclusion from the 4 designs, the option number 2 has been selected and agreed by the HPC. Since work is going on in other parts of the building, so we see that in 6 months' time, the new assembly building will be completed.
Kari boy dor bar hine ke singgala penlong ya ke executive committee ha circuit house nongpo banyak keren halor ke jingda wa prepare nak benta ki brio kari boy bar ke lapen pau ke jing sungu yo menteri rang ba ke MEGHALAYA halor ke jing kentiu kerdan ya ke Western Administrative Unit syaka kerdan civil subdivision. Haba krem bagla patai khubor uba RB shadab ulaong baha ka jing lang glaya taya shibon ki jing dawa ba sa ateng bat ki lapen pau ki jing songo yo menteri rang ba bat ka ken hon menteri halor ka jing ken tiu kerdan ke Western Administrative Unit shaka kerdan civil subdivision kaban sa ple pat ba ka arpu sautre unai bien
halor commission ke belas lem bat ke bagi layo
ban klem da klet ya iba doktor di lapang ubalong ushabi jong kari bhoy darba ila pha da message syangi men step ila ai ka jing ko kerdo ia kari bhoy darbar ipun pau ka jing kenan ka bakrau ni ai ka jing sungu ia chief minister bar ya ka sarkar bar ya ka kabinet jing ki bala pen urlong ia ka jing tharang jong kari bhoy darbar ka bala yakhi yang ni kakam ke bala bu jing dawa na bu isnan ke bakam shwa kari boy darbar ka be ka wei na kisang ka bandan kano ka jing ya shalyang hala hakaliang jong ke kam parti lan ya gino no gilyang nilong ka wei
Hakasngi rakhe galing khu snam ba shispa sa punyo jong Usardar Vallabhai Patel ha kalai phoi tarik urisau ki school ba pher ka West Giant Hills district kile shimbanta ban rakhe kani kasngi da ka ban long ye program na ka benta ki khna school kinong penyat school balapen shong nongrim halo ka Rashtriya Ekta Divas kilapen long ya ka Run for Unity hinin min step kat ba minski pat kinong hikai klakran halor ki jing hikai ba jing long Usardar Vallabhai Patel bat kila puli ru ye ki jing smai Rashtriya Ekta Divas pledge minta pat ngene pe ka jing long jaman ka sim beng shalong ka jing shit ka long 8.2 degree celsius ka jing kriat ka long 7.0 degree celsius ka jing ngem ka hau ka long sau pu sau na ka shi spa min step pat sau pu prana ka shi spa janmet ka sim beng kan rang bat kala bandon ka jing dum o hakikat tu ka ni ki jaka Hashwa pen ke mau phi begin ka khubor jingi na lor ka ba phi ki television pilaru man pe live YouTube channel jong DD News Shillong na ka banta ki khubor ba malakasngi pilaru man pe ka khubor jong DD News Shillong ha ka Instagram Facebook ba Twitter Showin poi jong bu ko jong thup khubor pe biang se sin ke mat bu kongsan Pendan burom Menteri Rang Badu Kari Narendra Modi kiriu krau kino yele lat yo la rilum ha ka Mangal Hill Haba Swara District Rajasthan Kidukot kiseng bhala hapo ka Shatri se pinyo trap mission kila penlong kijingyai pat ba sha secretariat ne kasni khot penlong jing lang menteri rang ba ka jela Conrad ke sang ma halor ka shok suk shong ngai But ya tai ka high powered committee lor ka do jong ka yeng dor ba thau ai bathmai Tia perlok ka tung la poish ku ko chang thup ku bar jing meta ka janmien haru mi di syam yang bat pila sha ga si ku blai phi baro